So children, we continue with the revision of chapter number 2, the long answers. First answer, again I am repeating once more. It says, the answer says, the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through the tube like blood vessels. This is what the heart does. Why is it important? It is said it is important as due to the pumping of the heart, the blood carries food and oxygen to the body parts and carries the waste away. Question number 2 says, now draw and label the parts of human respiratory system. For this children, you have to open to page number 12. Page number 12, you have to open. Here the respiratory system is drawn very well in your book only. You have to draw it, color it and label it, and that is your full answer. Now we go on to question number 3. It says, describe the process of breathing in humans. Answer says, we breathe in and out through our nose. The process of breathing in is called inhalation and breathing out is called exhalation. In inhalation, the chest expands and moves outwards, the diaphragm moves downwards, and the lungs become bigger. Air rushes in through the nose into the lungs. Next, we come on to the exhalation. In exhalation, the chest and the diaphragm move back and the lungs become smaller. Air is forced out of the lungs and out through the nose. All these answers you have already written in your classwork copy, so it will be easier for you to learn from them. So question number 3 is over. Now we go on to question number 4. It says, describe how deep breathing is carried out in yoga. Answer. Deep breathing is practiced in yoga or meditation by the following steps. Number A, we have to sit in a comfortable position. B, we should take a deep breath through our nose. Allow our chest and abdomen to expand to maximum so that the lungs expand fully. Number C, we should hold our breath for few seconds and slowly breathe out. Our chest and abdomen goes back in. This makes the lungs smaller and most of the air to come out. Last point, point number D says we should repeat this for few minutes. That is the whole answer number 4 in the 4 steps. Now we go on to the last question, which says list 2 causes of air pollution and their effects on living things. Part A, air pollution is caused by smoke released by vehicles. It causes breathing difficulties and diseases of the lungs. Part B says by smoke released from the factories and the industries. What it causes? It causes breathing difficulties and diseases of the lungs. With that, we come to the end of revision. So again I repeat, for your unit test, you have chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. You have to learn the question answers, short questions, long questions, word meanings, fill in the blanks, true and false, and so on. Thank you.